Hello again. It's time for snack now. So I'm going to show you how to make a healthy and funny sandwich. It's not true that sandwiches are not healthy. It really depends how you are making. So what I will use today for my sandwiches, this is rucola, tomato, red onion and radish. It looks originally like that, and of course this is red onion. What's more, I have wholemeal bread, yellow cheese and meat. What type of meat you are using, it just depends on your taste. Today I have this type, so this is what I'm going to use. So how I'm usually preparing my sandwiches. First of all, I take two slices of bread. I cut into two. So in fact I have already 4 small sandwiches. What next? I put the red onion on very bottom. How much this onion you will put, that depends on you. It's very healthy and it makes your sandwich a bit more, let's say, spicy, that you can feel really fun. So this is a base. On top of this I'm putting rucola. It's already washed and I'm just putting like that. I like when it's a lot of this green stuff. Of course you can do it with salad or other green stuff. Sometimes I'm mixing all of this, but I really like with rucola. The next part is what we would like to put. It can be cheese, it can be meat, and I'm usually using not a little. I like when you really feel what is on a sandwich, so minimum, let's say minimum like that. The next sandwich, I can take this sausage, also minimum 3 pieces on this small sandwich. Here I think I will have minimum 4. I'm putting like that. And very nice, it looks like that. Sausage, I think 4 will be too much, but I think 3 I can handle. On the top I'm putting slice of tomato, and just a little on top black pepper. Radish, I'm not doing anything. I'm just putting on the table, on the plate, sorry, and I'm eating together with the sandwich. So this is a very healthy, full of nutrition, good stuff sandwich, which will give you energy and first of all pleasure of eating. Enjoy your snack.